Hi guys, today got to do more spiel because Daddy, Mommy will buy many dresses. Let's go!
Ito biniligan si Riven.
Ayan, dito na kami. So, dito kami nag-park sa church. Tapos yan, punta na tayo sa munisipyo. Fill up na si Mami.
Wait, Daddy. Okay na?
Okay na.
Let's go! Babalik tayo ng March
24.
24, 1 p.m. onwards.
Hindi na tayo mag-orientation since nakapag-orientation na tayo.
Talaga? Demos okay.
Yun na yun lahat. Kumbaga, issuance na yun ng marriage license sa March 20. Let's go. You want to go to SM?
Bibi o marshmallow?
You want marshmallows?
Marshmallow? Nabili po.
So, since maaga kami natapos, gala mo na si Riven.
Magkano?
Dadaan muna kami dito sa church sa gilid kasi kukuhanin na namin yung copy ng baptismal certificate ni Riven.
Start?
Yes. What? Baby starred! You're not tired, Daddy starred! Yan, so pumunta na doon si Mami para humingi ng copy para sa baptismal ni Riven. Hindi ko lang alam kung bibigyan siya or what. Pero usually kasi pag may nagre-require naman nun, tapos sasabihin mo dito na kailangan siya, bibigyan ka. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwede kang humingi ng, you know, just for the copy. Pero yan, tignan natin kung ano ni Mami. So hindi nakakuha si Mami ng antayin, ano kinukuha mo?
Baptismal? Kailangan
Baptismal,
may
kailangan daw may purpose. So ayun, so paalis na kami. Punta muna kami ng, gusto ko kasi shops na lang para ba't ka tawa-tawa? Alam niya kasi dadali ko siya dun sa gusto niyang restaurant doon. Pupunta kami shops para kumain and then galang ng konti si Riven. Then yun na. Let's go! Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Babay na.
Na, palabas na tayo sa Angeles. Oh, gutom na si Mami and Daddy and Baby. Eto, nasa shops na kami. So may hahanapin lang na pagkainan si Mami. Yung nagbebenta daw ng biryani and other stuff. Ang saya-saya namang papalibre, oh. Nakita niya kasi ito sa Facebook, oh. Tingnan mo. Saya-saya, oh. Ito yan, tingnan mo yung menu, oh. Let's go! Let's go eat! Yung gusto ni Mami. Let's go! Chicken, okay. We're going to eat chicken, okay?
Chicken na?
We ordered chicken for you. Kasi sabi mo kanina, you want chicken. Now you want fish? How about chicken? So maganda yung ambience, oh. Chill. I bet mas maganda dito pag ano. Wow, dinner. Ah,
Biryani.
ano, happy? Salamat sa libre, Mami. Libre mo ako, ah.
Wala ka.
Ngayon, so sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit tagal namin hindi nag-upload, as you can see earlier, nag-asikaso kami ng wedding. Papakasal kami this May. It will be a very intimate wedding. Very, very intimate lang. And then, aside from that, nagka-accident din kasi ito si Baby, yung tit niya. Pero ngayon, okay na siya. So, yun, sobrang busy. But hopefully, makapag-vlog pa rin kami. Kasi namimiss ng bata yung pagpa-vlog.
Good job.
Wow! It's drinks! Riven, can you tell the story about the hungry caterpillar? Okay, tell us the story.
I want the moon, I want the egg, where I wish. I like sun morning, I like sunshine. I love at the egg. I can't eat my hungry caterpillar. I start to write the food. I want to eat still one apple.
One apple?
I'm still hungry.
Still hungry? To the purse, okay.
Still hungry.
Still hungry. On Wednesday,
Wednesday. Three plums.
3 plums.
I'm still hungry.
Still hungry. On Thursday,
Wednesday. 4 strawberries.
4 strawberries. What's next? Still hungry?
Wednesday. 5 oranges.
5 oranges.
I'm still
What? Still
hungry.
hungry. And Saturday,
Yesterday. I see chocolate.
1 chocolate,
Ice cream.
1 ice cream, 1 cake.
1 strawberry. W. L.
It's the tie.
I L T S P I C E S. What spices?
Good job. Yan, dumating na rin yan sa amin. Ito yung biryani. Look at that. Mami, gutom na gutom. Happy? Happy ikaw magbabayad eh. Kain po. Sabi mo, let's eat. Kumakain ka na eh. Let's eat, kumakain na. Yan. Yan, kain na po tayo. Where are you going?
I'm the Mikey.
Marky. Oh, let's go to Marky Mall.
We're here.
Let's go! Yung bata, nauna pa sa amin, oh. Halatang alam niya yung pupuntahan niya, eh. May gusto tong puntahan, eh. Pupunta to sa gitna, mamo. Kasi either manghihingi ng, ano, yung mga balls, or magra-ride ng mga cars. Ang bilis, oh. Siya yung nauna, oh. Kabisado mo ng Marky, ah. Oh, where are we going? Oh. Ayan pala yung gusto mo. Kaya pala. Even wants to ride. We drive? We're going to drive? Oh. Oh. And for the last one, balls. What color? Oh. What's the color? What color is that ribbon? I'm so happy. Ayan, so super saglit lang din kami talaga. Nag-withdraw lang kasi pahinga lang ng konti after kumain. So ito, pauwi na din kami. At dito na rin namin tatapusin ang video. Hanggang sa muli!